This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Coinbase. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets tab. Once logged in, locate the Assets tab on the main dashboard. This section displays all your cryptocurrencies and their current values. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency for payout. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Click on it to view more options related to that asset. Step 4. Click on Withdraw or Send. Look for the option labeled Withdraw or Send and click on it. This will take you to the payout request page. Step 5. Enter withdrawal details. Fill in the required information such as the amount you want to withdraw and the destination wallet address. Review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. After completing these steps, your payout request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for any confirmation or updates regarding your transaction.